As a collision repair professional, it's not uncommon for me to see a vehicle come into a collision repair facility and it actually has like a clear protective film on it or some type of wrap or clear bra. And oftentimes, I ask the vehicle owner or the consumer, have you checked to make sure this is actually included in your policy? You see, oftentimes as a consumer, when we take and we add things to our vehicle that's non standard from the factory, sometimes those things are not covered under the terms of our policy. And if we're in an accident, they may not get covered, and we would then have to pay out of pocket. In addition, before you go and add any type of aftermarket paint protection film to your vehicle, it's important that you understand where you can actually apply that type of material at, that protective film, so that it won't affect the safety systems of your vehicle. So, Danny, what's a great way for a consumer to know if they can, in fact, or can't apply some of this paint protective film to their vehicle?
So I know it's really tempting. You want to protect like all those, really nice, expensive areas of the vehicle, like the grill, the painted areas. But we've got to reference those owner's manuals. They may tell you, don't apply any kind of films or wraps over like the front radar, like over the grill area. Maybe even putting any kind of stickers on that front windshield that may impede that camera that's located right behind the windshield. Even going on the back of the car, there's sensors that sit right behind the bumper, so on the corners, the blind spot monitors. And again, if you put some type of film, that radar can be affected of how it communicates and it detects any kind of objects in your blind spot. So again, your owner's manual will tell you, where you can or where you can't, especially important, where you can't put those films or coatings, so that way it doesn't affect the safety systems of your vehicle. The last thing to remember is once you've had your vehicle painted by a shop, you want to make sure that you've talked with your repair about the curing process. Because if you apply any of these coatings or if you apply the films too soon, you can affect the curing process of that paint, which can then affect the way that the product protects your vehicle in the future. So again, talk with your repair professional, reference those owner's manuals for the do's and don'ts of applying wraps or films on your vehicle. If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.